This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Marian Windridge. Immaculate 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with detached 2-car garage on 2.52 fenced acres. Popular split floor plan with spacious great room, perfect for entertaining. Updated kitchen with solid wood cabinets and granite countertops. Tile throughout living areas and hardwood in bedrooms. Spacious detached garage with drive shed offers plenty of room for the toys. Pool area features a pool with tanning ledge, Tiki hut with electricity and fire pit, great for entertaining. Indian Hammock is a gated community of 3,600 acres and approximately 2,400 acres of preserve. Private airport, skeet and trap ranges, 5-stand shooting, NRA certified rifle and pistol range, clubhouse with restaurant, fully equipped fitness center, heated pool, guest cabins, tennis courts, horse stables, riding arena, and miles of trails to ride. For more information, review the details below or contact Marian Windridge at 772-708-5592.